Good evening from the National Weather Service in Slidell, Louisiana. Here is the weekly weather briefing for the week of December 5th, 2021. Situation overview. A pattern change finally bringing some much needed rainfall to the area. A continuation of above normal temperatures is expected for the next 7 days. A cool front will move through the area Monday afternoon and evening, bringing the best chances of rainfall we have seen in several weeks through tomorrow afternoon. Scattered showers and storms expected throughout the week, with the best chances being on Monday, with the potential for a few strong to severe storms on Monday from late morning through the early evening hours. Frontal boundary moves through on Monday evening, stalling along the northern Gulf throughout the remainder of the week, eventually washing out by the end of the week. Let's take a look at the current surface map. Currently we have a frontal boundary over the southern and central plains. Frontal boundary will move into the area, impacting our area from late Monday morning through the remainder of the Monday afternoon and evening hours, bringing a cold front through the area with a chance of severe storms possible through late afternoon Monday. The front stalls south of the area on Monday night. Relatively unsettled pattern continues through the week as the frontal boundary stalls and retreats back as a warm front through the middle of the week, continuing to stall over the area. The next system to bring an enhanced chance of rain will follow suit behind this front, eventually pushing it on through and with a stronger system moving through by the end of the week. Here's the rainfall forecast that we're looking at valid through Friday. Mainly looking at like a 1 to 2 inch rainfall total through the week, with the majority of that falling probably on Monday afternoon as the frontal boundary moves through out ahead of it. Generally along and north of the I-10-12 corridors looks like to be the better chances for the higher amounts of rainfall. There is a marginal risk for severe weather. The marginal risk mainly between noon and 5 p.m. on Monday. Potential impacts: damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour are the primary threat. We cannot rule out an isolated tornado as well. As far as the timing of the severe weather, the biggest chance for the severe weather would be along and north of the I-10-12 corridors will be between noon and 3 p.m. And from the New Orleans area to the Houma all the way over to the Mississippi coast, we're expecting from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. to be the best chance for severe weather. Taking a look at temperatures and rainfall outlooks through the long term. Going out through the first half of December, we are looking at temperatures well above normal, especially along the mid-Atlantic coast. And as we work our way down here, we're looking at above normal temperatures as well for the majority of the country. Precip outlook looking to be pretty much near normal for the Gulf Coast. Maybe as you go just a little bit north into the mid-south, working your way up into the southern Mississippi Valley through Arkansas, they could be above to near normal there. Summary of impacts: a pattern change finally bringing some much needed rain to the area. A continuation of above normal temperatures for the next 7 days. However, we could be slightly below normal as we work our way into Monday night, Tuesday, as the frontal boundary does move through, bringing some slightly below normal temperatures for only a brief period of time. This front will continue to retreat northward as a warm front through the week, stalling over the area and just north of the area for the most part of the week. This will keep temperatures back above normal again. So we'll be looking at temperatures bouncing back up into the 70s and could even have some 80s by the latter part of the week, with lows being in the 50s and some nights up in the low mid 60s. Scattered showers and storms expected through the week. The front moves through on Monday evening, stalling along the northern Gulf throughout the remainder of the week. Frontal boundary will eventually wash out, drying us out maybe briefly toward the end of the week, out ahead of another frontal boundary that will be a little bit stronger, approaching the area. Looks like around the Friday night, Saturday time frame, and that could bring us the next significant chance of rainfall. This concludes the briefing for the week of Sunday, December 5th. Have a good week. This will conclude the weekly briefing for